Hello, this is Adam Helton. I am in West Nashville. I'm on a pretty busy road here. Just showed a house. It's now raining. My car is running and the keys are locked inside. So I thought it'd be a fantastic time to do a video blog and just talk about resale value. This home again is on a busy street. There is a train that runs behind the house. And the basement of this home flooded during the flood. Of course, a lot of homes flooded that weren't in a flood zone during that time. But just to point out, there are a lot of things with this home and with a lot of homes that can affect the resale value, how the property values do. And it's my job as your realtor to point those out as you're looking for a home, as we're looking at properties. My job is your interest and to point out anything that might affect the resale when you go to sell it, whenever that may be. So if you have any questions about real estate in Middle Tennessee or things that might affect the value of your home, feel free to call me. My cell phone is 615-668-4663, or you can always email me at adam@adamhelton.com. Thanks for tuning in. And I hope you're having a better day than I am.